beautiful freaks. I am there first for a reason. I'm going to try and recreate basically over 10 years ago makeup style. Probably more like 15 years ago. That's crazy. Building the background. Yeah, I'm going to try and recreate my old school makeup that I used to do. Hi! When I was a teenager. I'm going to try and recreate like one of these kind of looks. I don't know if I'm fully going to be able to do it. So the first thing that I need to do is obviously have dark hair. So I will be right back. I literally look like a witch. I can't remember which side I had my parting on when I was a teenager. So it's on this side. Anyway, I'm going to need to pin it out the way a little bit because otherwise it is going to drive me up the wall. See my real hair poking through. Oh my god. Exposed. Right. First thing I'm going to need to do is make myself... It's a good noise for a yawn. I'm going to need to make myself horrifically pale. So I think when I was at school I just used to use loads of like concealer because I was so pale. I still am really pale naturally. So I went for this one, which is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible concealer. I didn't even know I had this. Yeah, so I'm going to be using that one, obviously in the shade Ivory because oh, maybe I'm not as pale as I thought I was, but yeah, just to make myself even more pale. So we need to use it anyway. Oh yeah. I don't really wear this kind of, I don't wear foundation anymore, so I have no idea if I just put too much stuff on my face. I probably have. God, this is gonna go bad. I'm trying my best. It's been a long time. I just don't bother with all this stuff anymore. Whoa, okay, that is bad. Oh yeah, there we go. Looking pale as fuck. Maybe I should have just used like a really light foundation, but I just don't have any. Oh my god, I'm starting to look like clown face. Oh, I should use this next time I do a clown face look. Cool. Yeah, I'm just going to whack this one and I'll be right back because this is going to take me a while. Yeah, I think that's as best as I'm going to get it, to be honest. Look how ghostly pale I look right now. Next, I need to figure out how to cover up my eyebrows. I mean, they're pretty light anyway, they always have been. But back in the day, it was really fashionable to just have like really thin eyebrows, especially if you were like goth. So I need to figure out how to cover them up. I'm probably just going to put them on this one and just obviously dust over it with my usual powder that I use just to... Will you stop making noises, Corey? You're going to be here while I'm doing this. I'm still the spotlight. I'm going to dust over it with my Rimmel translucent powder. So we'll see how that goes. I'm going to try and really thin these out and then obviously go over them in a darker, because I think I used to use like black eyeliner on my eyebrows. I'm pretty sure I did when I was at school. So I'm going to try and just block these out as much as I possibly can. Never thought I'd ever say that, but there we go. I feel like they don't really look much different. It's about as thin as I can get them. I'm hoping that I'll be able to like hide how thick, well, they're not very thick anyway, but you know, when I used to do it, they used to be really stick thin, like really thin, because I was like so cool. So I'm pretty sure I just used to literally use an eyeliner to do my eyebrows. Is that a good scratch? This is a good scratch. Alright, I'm gonna This is going to go horribly wrong, but I'm going to try and fill them in as closely as I used to. You've really got a good scratch going, huh? Oh dear. And now we're having a zoomie on the bed. This is why I don't film in my bedroom. Oh. He agrees. Wow. This is taking me back. You don't like it, huh? Well, neither do I anymore, that's why I don't do it. Man, this really does take me back. Now I've got to try and get them even while he's having a zoomie behind me on the bed. I'm gonna let you all just listen to him have a zoomie on the bed for a minute. Thanks for knocking me. He's doing this on purpose. Wow. Dude. He's nudging me so hard. Look what he's just made me do. That looks worse than just knocked all my stuff over. It's fine. It's fine. Everything is fine. Oh, that was like a fluid motion that I probably shouldn't have done. Right, I'm going to try and fix that. Cotton buds are your friends, man. Back in the day, that's all we had. Cotton buds. And you hope and pray that you get them relatively even. They're not going to be even. They're not even going to be sisters. They're not even going to be close cousins. Like, these are not going to be equal at all. They should be sisters, not twins. You know, if they look more like not very close first cousins, then, you know, it's just so punk rock. Or at least that's the excuse that I would probably give. To be honest, even now. Sorry, I keep disappearing out of the frame, my mirror's here. Right, I think that's about as good as we're going to get them with the eyeliner. Oh my god, it's so late. And then I'm going to have to like try and tidy them up with the concealer stuff that I was using. And hope for the best. I think that's as good as they're going to get, to be honest, because obviously I have real brows underneath. Anyway, this is how I used to do my eyebrows back in the day. And then I just used to literally take the same liner and go ham on my eyes. I'm pretty sure that I actually used to use like a chunky black liner. And I'm pretty sure I had one, but I probably used it all when I was doing. Oh wow, I've got like the tiniest little bit left. This isn't the same one that I used to use. None of this stuff is the same as what I used to use because it doesn't even exist anymore. I'm pretty sure that this existed when I was a teenager, the Rimmel London, because it's very British. But this one is again Rimmel, and it's the, some of this stuff is just rubbed off completely. Yes, we all know you're still here. We all know that. I don't even know if you guys can see him wherever he's there. And I just used to colour over my entire eyelid in black eyeliner to get it as black as possible. Oh my god. You know, looking back at the pictures and that and thinking what I used to be like at school as a teenager especially, I actually lived through and survived somehow the emo phase, and it's coming back, and it's actually cool to admit that you're emo now. Oh, now we've got a squeaky toy. Anyway, yeah, now it's actually cool to say that you're emo. It wasn't when I was at school, when I was doing all this kind of crap. You never admitted that you're emo. I kind of liked a bit of everything. My main thing though, my main jam was pop punk, if I'm honest. I was really into my punk, I was really into my pop punk, and emo just kind of happened, you know? It just happened. Around the time, I feel like it was around the same time as like Linkin Park and all that kind of stuff came out, but I don't think it was, because Linkin Park was obviously new metal, and people just, it was the same thing when they came out, everyone was like, ew, new metal. No man, you've got to like the original metal. And now everyone's like, oh, Linkin Park are actually pretty good, like, obviously, he's passed away, bless him. But, they were a good band, like, okay, they did do some really shitty stuff with their album, like remixing it like 10 times, but I would say that's strongly to do with the kind of contract that they were signed into, and they just wanted to get out of it quickly, because that's what bands do. If they sign a contract where they have to make like 8 CDs and they don't want to actually bother, they'll just remix the same album, or they'll do a live album. A bit of knowledge for you there. And then I just used to go over that with my black eyeshadow, which today is my Rimmel London black shadow. Wow, look how black this is. This is a lot of black. This was my jam. Back in the day. No brushes. You either used your fingers or you used these little bad boys. There's no fancy brushes back then. So there was no blending. Unless like I said, cotton buds were your best friends back in the day. I still do use a lot of them in my makeup to tidy up edges and like fix mistakes, because I make a lot of mistakes in life, and especially on my face. The difference is that now I don't really care so much, you know? And you can tell by looking at me that I don't care too much what people think. You don't leave the house looking the way I do if you care what people think. Oh yeah. There we go. There I am. There's teenage Kim right there. And like I say, I don't even think I used to do this, but I'm going to do it because it just feels wrong without doing it. But I'm just going to kind of tidy up the edges. But I feel like I didn't really. But if I did, it was definitely like this. See? Fully rounded off raccoon eyes. And then obviously you would do your normal eyeliner. And your tight line. Oh yes. Okay, so that was mainly what I used to do. There was no such thing as contouring anyway back then. There was definitely no blush on my face. Finish scratching. I don't think I used to wear like dark lipstick. I don't think I used to wear anything on my lips. Okay, when I went through my slightly more emo phase, the cool thing was to have like a really, really light lipstick. I don't even think I own any light lipsticks anymore. I thought I did. I thought I had a really, really, really light pink, but I might have chucked it in with like stuff that I don't use. Excuse me while I just trash my room looking for this thing. Nope. I don't think I have any. So what I do have is a lip liner, and I'm going to do the old trick that all the emo kids used to do, which was this. I didn't personally used to do this, but apparently it was kind of cool. But I don't have light lipstick, so I can't do what I actually used to do. It's going to be interesting. I'm just going to mix the two together and hope that I get a similar colour to what I used to actually wear. Not really. I did a little bit too light. Although saying that, it was pretty light, so I don't really know. Again, With my, oh, I know what I've got. Silly me. I have a Jeffree Star one. Queen Supreme. We'll try that. It's pretty close to what I used to wear. You can tell I haven't used that for a while. It's very watery. Oh yes. This is pretty much what I used to look like. And then I used to draw little stars under my eyes. That was my thing. It just wasn't me unless I had my little stars. I don't think I have a sharp enough eyeliner for it though. Where's my liquid one? Oh, here's my liquid one. Oh, I think I knocked it on the floor. So prepared. So prepared. I'll just use liquid liner. I didn't used to use liquid liner because I don't think I had any. I either had the pen or the pencil, and I just used to draw my little stars on. So I'm just going to quickly do that. And then disappear off frame for a second. The shadow return properly. And there we go. This is literally what I used to look like when I was a teenager. Bit of a mixture really, to be honest. It was kind of emo, kind of goth, kind of in between. I was just pale and I just used to love black shit around my eyes. Something that I never grew out of. Because I still do that. And yeah, so it was actually quite difficult to do this. I'm so used to what I do now, I've kind of forgotten what I used to do, but this was basically it. So cool. So yeah. Thank you for going on this little nostalgic journey with me. I just wanted to reminisce. It's really weird looking at myself like this because it is exactly like what I used to look like. I didn't even used to bother with like mascara, which is why it looks so bizarre. Like I literally didn't have this, so like I couldn't go. Like I feel like I need to do it just to prove a point, but like I couldn't like tidy up this bit in here. Like I'm gonna do it because it's really bothering me. Do you see what I mean? You can't really tell the difference because it's like the light is like right there, but you can tell in person. Anyway, yeah, and then normally I would probably wear mascara, but because this is like back in the day, I probably didn't even have mascara to be honest, so I probably looked ridiculous. It wasn't until like I was late teens that I learned how to do this a little bit better. A little bit better, not much better. But yeah, so that's me recreating teenage me. Leave a like if you like it. It's really nostalgic for me. I feel like I should rock this look a bit more. Like just the black hair, just black, and now that it's cool again. Yeah, leave a like and subscribe if you want. See you guys. Bye.